रघवाल कन्स्ट्रक्शन कंपनीक नावशे मरीना प्रकल्पा खातीर एमपीएन परवानगी दिल्ली. मात प्रकल्पाक लागपी गरजेचे ना हरकत दाखले कंपनीक तांणी दिवंक ना. ताका लागून मुरगांव बंदर प्राधिकरणान प्रकल्पाक दिल्लो परवानो फाटीं घेत कारणां दाखयत नोटीस काडपाचो निर्णय घेतिल्लो. ह्या निर्णया वेल्यान एमपीएन यू टर्न मारला. हो दबाव एमपीएचेर कोणे हाडलो गोंयच्यान की केंद्र सरकारान असो प्रश्न काँग्रेसीचो फुडारी विरियाटो फर्नांडिसान उपरासला. हाचेर आमी कशेच वोगी रावचे नात. गरज पडल्यार गोंयच्या सगळे राजकीय पक्षांक एकठांय हाडून लढो दितले अशें विरियाटोन म्हणलां.
Very disturbing news that has come out today in the newspapers that MPA Mormugaon Port Authority आणि जी शोकॉज नोटीस काढलेली ऑन खरगवाल कन्स्ट्रक्शन प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड that why the lease that was granted to them at Naushi 1 square kilometer of water surface that why it should not be terminated and हे ताणी कोर्टान सबमिट केल्ले. This lease was there in 2010 and Khargwal Construction Private Limited जी NOCs आसा ती सगळी सबमिट करूंक जाशिल्ली ती आयज पासून करूंक ना. So MPA rightfully had told that they are going to terminate. Now कोणे प्रेशर हाडलो MPAचेर? गोंयच्या सरकारान काय गोंयच्या सरकाराचे जे वडील आसा ते तांकां कंट्रोल करतात पळय ते मास्टर आसात पळय दोन गुजराती वयर बसल्यात तांणी फोर्स केला MPA टू withdraw the show cause and give Goa's 1 square kilometers of water surface at Naushi for this particular project on lease. Goans will not keep quiet. If need be, we will intervene in the court. But आमी ओगी रावपाक ना. This is how systematically this government, the so-called double engine government and their agencies which are there like MPA, which was formerly MPT, आणि गोंयाक खाबार केले आणि गोंयकार ओगी रावचे ना. Come what may, we will fight. We will bring all the people together, be it the civil society, NGOs, including political parties on one platform to fight this particular project. Whether it comes at Naushi, afterwards it will be Sankwal, afterwards it will be Chikali, we will fight.